morning, lovelies. We're in Sulphur, Oklahoma, where the tornadoes just hit the other day. I apologize for the bugs on the windshield, but we have been on a road trip. So this is a church. I'm not sure the name. The parking lot is full. Oh, there it goes. Crossway Church. Billy Graham is set up here. See if I can. There we go. Billy Graham and his followers are here helping with the cleanup from the tornadoes. They've got the Oklahoma Blood Institute. This is obviously just going to be like their grounds right here where everybody's meeting to get up. So we're going to drive through and check out some of the damage that we've seen. It is pretty extensive, so we'll check back in with you in a minute. Okay, lovelies, here's some damage. There's just trees down all through Sulphur Springs Park. Here is some houses and buildings. Oh, you can't see that. That are just all of it. I don't know if you can see all that damage. So this area is also where they do the Artesian Arts Festival every single year, and this is the Chickasaw Nation recreational area. And it's just got all kinds of damage too. And then you can see right here across the street, and nothing was touched. It's all just completely beautiful. So there's the Oklahoma flag. Everything's just nice as could be. This is the Artesian Hotel. So right out through here is some damage of some homes. And this is the saddest part, because these homes are so old. And these are people's homes that they're living in. And there's just massive damage. It's very sad. It's very sad to see all this damage. These poor people. Will you turn that way? Oh, it looks like we're gonna have to anyway. That whole road up there is blocked off. Look at all these houses. There's like dressers right there. Somebody's little workshop. So much stuff is just gone from over here. The damage is just horrendous. There's people out trying to fix everything. This guy's trying to put his mailbox back up. Huge tree down over here. Oh my goodness, and look at this house. All this right here is gone. I bet it was a house. It's just strike on all the way down. Will you roll your window down? Look at all that.
Well, there may be people in these houses.
It is. Everybody's got their American flags up. Look at this.
Oh, that's an RV.
Oh.
Up on the side.
This house looks to be okay. Not too much damage right there. But you can see the path of them. Look at all the trees, all the damage. This is just horrible. They got this part of the road shut off. The worker people trying to ensure. This is a, yeah, for sure. Look at this right here.